Hey everyone, welcome back to Recipes. If you're looking for healthy snack ideas that won't derail your weight loss goals, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing some simple, low-calorie snack ideas to satisfy your cravings and keep you on track. Let's get into it. Segment 1. Veggie and Hummus. First up, we have a classic, veggies and hummus. It's crunchy, refreshing, and packed with fiber and protein. I love using cucumbers, carrots, and bell peppers. A serving of hummus is about 2 tablespoons, and it's only around 70 calories. Perfect for a satisfying, nutrient-rich snack. Segment 2. Greek yogurt and berries. Next, we've got Greek yogurt with fresh berries. Greek yogurt is high in protein and low in sugar. Pair it with some antioxidant-rich berries, like blueberries or strawberries, for a sweet, low-calorie treat. This snack will keep you feeling full and satisfied. Segment 3. Apple and peanut butter. Craving something sweet and savory? Try apple slices with peanut butter. The fiber from the apple and healthy fats from the peanut butter make this a balanced snack. Just be sure to measure out your peanut butter to keep the calories in check. About a tablespoon is perfect. Segment 4. Rice cakes with avocado. Rice cakes are super light and low in calories. Top one with mashed avocado for a creamy, satisfying snack. Avocados provide healthy fats that help keep you full longer. And you can even sprinkle some chili flakes for a bit of extra flavor. Segment 5. Popcorn. Another great snack is air-popped popcorn. It's high in fiber and very low in calories. Plus, you can add your own seasoning. A cup of air-popped popcorn is only about 30 calories. Just skip the butter and salt and try adding some nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor. So there you have it. 5 healthy, low-calorie snacks that are perfect for weight loss. Keep these in your snack rotation, and you'll stay full and energized without overdoing the calories. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy tips. See you next time.